Most scraping tools break when layouts change, but Minexa.ai locks extraction to the page's structure, so you get stable, reliable results for scraping investment data. Head to the site you want. Minexa handles pages that load content dynamically, including infinite scroll, load more buttons, and delayed rendering. Launch Minexa. Everything starts from this single browser panel. Click here. Minexa scans the page from repeated patterns of content to detect the investment data list you want to extract. The full result set is within reach. Minexa found the pagination and will move through all pages on every run. Decide if the list data is enough, or if each row hides more data you need. Click Continue for direct pages. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires interaction steps before data appears. Click Create Scraper if the highlighted section looks right. Minexa will pick the most stable way to read this page for consistent extraction every time. Every data point is mapped to the right part of the page. Select the columns you need and extraction stays accurate for investment data like IPO dates, company names, and pricing. Click API Request to copy working Python code. Just add your URLs and run it straight away to start extracting this data. This becomes your blueprint. Click Complete Configuration, and every future extraction follows exactly what you set up here. The complete result set is within reach. Pagination is saved and handled automatically on every extraction. Your scraper is ready to run. Optionally pick a schedule, so Minexa reruns it automatically and keeps your data fresh. Click Run, and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. Alongside the visible fields you see here, hidden data came through too. Attributes, image URLs, and nested structures are included and returned, preserving their original connections. Typical data includes IPO names, dates, prices, and underwriters. Click Export. Excel and JSON both use the same column structure, so the file works perfectly across different tools. Every value comes directly from the page, no interpretation or guessing, just structured data exactly as it exists on NYSE.com.